Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is evidently a photoshopped picture of a watermelon, but it felt like I was hauling watermelons that big. When we were young, we get jobs picking melons, cucumbers, I hate picking cucumbers, and cantaloupes, detasseling corn, cropping tobacco, just anything on the farm we could get to earn money to buy our new school clothes. Well, one of the coaches, I worked for him, and uh, his work was dwindling. Another coach needed help, so he sent me over to the other coach. And as luck would have it, I need both of them. And on the second job, we were picking cantaloupes, and then we went to the watermelon fields, picked those. And we picked and picked and picked. Well, I was out helping load trailers, so I got up next to the trailer. I figured I'd be in the shade at least half the field. And as tall as I was, no. So I walked up next to the trailer, and the only thing about it, there was 4 other guys to my side that I had to catch their watermelons to chunk up to the guys on the trailer to load up. Well, once this trailer was loaded up, it went back to the central area where the watermelons were separated according to size, and they were loaded into tractor trailers. Well, I got moved to help load tractor trailers, and that was pretty good. Some of them were open top, which that meant you cooked out there. Some of them were refrigerated trailers. They'd go ahead and cut the air on. Well, there was 2 guys from Florida came up that knew how to load, and they were good buddies. Well, and they got paid big for those loading those trailers too. Well, we got in first trailer in the morning. It was hot, and it was air conditioned, cooler air conditioned trailer. Well, it was cold in there anyway. So we were laughing at them other guys. He told us, he said, "Don't be laughing." And so we got back after lunch, and we jumped in that trailer. Well, we took breaks in there too. Everybody'd come in there and sit around and talk. Well, the other guy that was loading the other trailers, he had his 2 guys that he had trained for him. Well, he came and got in that trailer, and I thought, well, that's kind of strange. And my guy I work with, he told me, "Y'all come on over here." I said, "Why are we going over there?" He said, "I always give him a trailer after lunch because it's the hotter part of the day, and he's older than me." And we sweated out there, but had a lot of fun, ate a lot of good watermelons. And every once in a while I go by those fields just to look around and have a laugh and remember on those good times. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.